How to make Keto 5 Ingredient Breakfast. The ingredients: 1 tablespoon butter, 2 large eggs, half medium avocado, 1 ounce kale, 2 sliced bacon. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the butter. 3. Crack and cook the egg sunny side up. Remove from pan. 4. In the same frying pan, cook the kale. 5. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of Keto 5 Ingredient Breakfast. Each serving comes out to be 716 calories, 62.1 grams fat, 3.5 grams net carbs, and 31.2 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.